Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a table to your slides on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on that one slide that you would like to work with from these list of documents that you have already created, or you have the possibility to create a new slide by tapping on the plus icon down below. So click on the one that you would like to work with, and then you should tap on that one slide to which you would like to insert a table. Then click on the edit slide button and tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find that table option and click on it. Now, as you can see, first you need to customize your table by selecting the number of columns you would like to have and the number of rows. Then tap on the insert table button down below. So now you have created your table. You can make it bigger or smaller, and you can place it within your slide. If you are done with all these steps and you would like to save your table, tap on the check mark icon at the top of the screen in the left side corner. So now that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.